Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in Word. This can be really useful for creating to-do lists, surveys, and forms. So, let's get started. Now, you need to make sure that the Developer tab is visible in your Word ribbon. If you can't see it, then you will need to enable it by clicking on the file in the top left corner of the screen, then click on More, and click on Options. In the Word Options window, click on the Customize ribbon on the left. On the right side, you will see a list of tabs. Make sure Developer is checked. So, this is Developer, so click on it, it's checked now. Now click on OK. Now that you have the Developer tab enabled, you can easily insert checkboxes into your Word document. Under the Developer tab, you'll see a section labeled Controls. In this section, click on the checkbox icon labeled Checkbox Content Control. You can see the checkbox has been added. So, if we click on this checkbox, you will see an X symbol. And you might want a checkmark instead of this. So now we are going to show you how to change the X to a checkmark. Select the checkbox or place the cursor right next to it. And then click on Properties. Now, in Checkbox Properties, you will see a checked symbol. Currently it's a cross, so click on Change. When the symbol dialog box appears, find and select Wingdings 2 font. You will see the common checkmark icons used for the checked state of checkboxes. Just select one of them and click OK. Then OK again. And now click on our checkbox, you will see that the checkbox symbol is now changed to a checkmark. That's it. You have learned how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.